Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can purchase or buy furnitures in Heartopia. So if you got a request to buy furniture, or maybe you would just want to decorate your home, this is how you can find and purchase the furniture. So first you need to find an NPC called Bob. So Bob is the owner of the Bob's Furniture. Just track him in here. Then you can just follow the track until you arrive at Bob's store. So once you're inside, you can just look around and see what you want to buy. So for example, I'm going to buy this mirrors right here. Click on the trolley icon, and after that click on purchase, and that's it. You'll get the furniture. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the things.